Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
I got my bag and other things. Nothing is missing.
Okay.
Nice police, Goa police.
They have helped you, sir, in the night?
Nice. They
They made you make you sleep here?
yeah.
So night we accommodated him, we made him comfortable आणि त्याचे कडेन ती हॉटेलाची चावी आशिल्ली सो आमी ती हॉटेलांत वचून व्हेरीफाय केली की खंयची चावी लागली सो एक्चुअली ही हॅड चॅक्ड इन टू अ हॉटेल ए आनी हो हॉटेल डीन वचून नांव घेना हॉटेलांचें पूण हॉटेल डीन वचून थंय एंट्री करपाक लागलो वीच द मॅनेजमेंट हॅड स्टॉप्ड हिम so his belongings and his everything was found in that particular hotel and his name was registered on the district and he apologized for his mistake.
The Vasco coincidence in that one of my relatives from Chennai, he was here and he had some problem regarding the hotel stay. He forgot his hotel. Then I got a call. I was in Hubli. I could not come here immediately because of the rain. So they took care of him overnight.